unique food adventure with these lucky winners. Curly Tales, where you often see me meet celebrities, discover unique food and of course travel. But today I'm going to do something new. I am meeting my beloved Curly Tales fam. Today we are going on a mouth-watering adventure with these lucky winners of Hellmann's Superfan Hunt contest. We will be exploring the creamy world of Hellmann's mayonnaise as we visit the famous restaurants of Mumbai. So are we ready, guys?
Yes!
But Kamya, how are we going to go? Cab book karna hai kya?
Come on, guys. We are Curly Tales. We get you the best food and travel experience. Let's go. Our party bus is waiting for us. I have a surprise for them. Bhaiya! The Hellmann Superfans deserve not only a ride but the super cool and exclusive Hellmann Superfan bus for their drive around in Mumbai. We are Hellmann Superfans! Come, guys! Buckle up, guys! This will be the creamiest ride of your life! Okay, so we're going to see some of the most iconic and beautiful spots of Mumbai, and the first one is the Asiatic Library. So Curly Tales fam, we're going to play a fun icebreaker game. I'm going to ask you some questions and let's get to know each other just with our food preferences. One dish that represents your personality.
It's Pani Puri.
Which is the weirdest food combination you've ever tried?
Chocolate rabdi cheese sandwich.
Next question. Your guilty pleasure food and what makes it so irresistible?
Mayo and fries.
Has there been any TikTok or a real recipe that you guys have tried?
Yes, I have tried. I've tried the Dalgona coffee.
Guys, that's the undersea tunnel, India's first.
Wow!
Guys, this has been so much fun. Are you guys hungry?
Yes!
Just like Curly Tales. Okay, so what do you guys want to eat today? I think maximum votes go for burger. So we are first going to one of the most iconic burger places in Bandra. It's called Jimmy's Burger. Started in Sangli on a handcart. Today they have many branches in all over Maharashtra. It's one of my favorite places. So let's first go to Jimmy's. Well, burgers hold a special place in my stomach and I hope they do in yours too. We are at Jimmy's Burger where they have curated a special menu for us. What's in store? Well, let's go meet Jimmy and find out. In 2012, Jimmy's Burger started as a humble pushcart in Sangli, serving up mouth-watering juicy burgers with the mantra, better ingredients for better food. It's no surprise that Jimmy's Bandra has partnered with Hellmann's to bring us the taste of the delicious eats. Well, we are with the man himself, Jimmy,
Hi.
right here. Hi, Jimmy. These burgers look extremely delectable.
Thank you.
They're my favorite too.
Well, I always wanted to have a burger joint and, like a burger restaurant of my own.
The Hellgate burger with veg and non-veg options is served with Hellmann's mayo along with salted fries, mayo dip and your choice of ice or peace lemon tea. The burgers are finally here.
Hell yeah!
You can try the special menu for the next 21 days when you visit Jimmy's Burger. Did you notice that there are also these QR codes in the restaurants where it says you can win some irresistible Hellmann's goodies? So shall we try it?
दुनिया का #1 मेयोनेज़ ब्रांड।
Here's your goodie.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Our stomachs have truly witnessed a feast. The food is gliding through our mouth. Guess what? The adventure doesn't stop here as we hop on to another equally exciting spot that's eagerly waiting for us. Well, हम सब ने अभी जमकर burgers खा लिए. It's time to go to Smokehouse Delhi. A surprise is waiting for you guys there.
Forever I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Established in the year 2013, Smokehouse Delhi in Bandra West is a one-stop destination for indulging in both local Mumbai food as well as continental. So we are now at Smokehouse Delhi. I'm with Chef Roland and I've heard so much about your cafe and also it's a very popular hangout spot in Bandra and the other outlets in Mumbai as well. I want to begin by asking, what is the story of Smokehouse Delhi? Where did it catch all the popularity?
So Smokehouse Delhi has started in 2011, so we've been here for quite some time. So we are a comfort European place. So we do sandwiches, we do burgers, we do pizzas, pastas and the entire gamut of food. A little bit of influence rather from local flavors. We use a lot of local ingredients, but we do use good quality premium products as well. So that's where
Talking of premium products, I can see jars of Hellmann's placed right here. Is there a reason why you particularly use Hellmann's mayonnaise?
So, like I said, we look after quality products.
Yeah.
When it comes to mayonnaise, I think Hellmann's does a very good job at being a quality product in the market. And by providing quality and being extra creamy, it just adds a little bit more to the sandwiches that we do.
I know that Smokehouse Delhi has some amazing sandwiches. So is there a recipe that I can show off to my friends?
Yes. So we've done a special sandwich, especially for Hellmann's, which is miso marinated mushrooms and aubergine with a miso mayo. So if you want, I'll do that for you.
Amazing. Please do so. Thank you. While the sandwich looks absolutely amazing and super creamy, Smokehouse Delhi ने तो seafood में भी Hellmann's mayonnaise incorporate कर दिया है. Here we have some amazing Hellmann's mayo-infused sandwiches like toasted sourdough sandwich, miso roasted mushroom and aubergine sandwich, and also some mouth-watering burgers and seafood dishes. What an incredible day it has been, guys, and thank you for being a part of this mayo-licious journey. If you too want to enjoy the same menu as we did, please do head to Jimmy's Burger as well as Smokehouse Delhi in Bandra. You get to sample all that we did, and also for the next 21 days you can win goodies from Hellmann's. So what are you waiting for? If you want to try these mayo-licious burgers and sandwiches, then drop by to these two outlets, Jimmy's Burger and Smokehouse Delhi in Bandra. You get to win Hellmann's goodies for the next 21 days. So what are you waiting for? So until next time, keep your passion for food alive and of course, follow Curly Tales.